We have problems.
There you go. What else are we having that question? Not
So what I'm attempting to say is, in the first equation, you define the situation, in our case, volume. And we enter it in Y1. I use the derivative button, which I think you can see is F3. That gives me the derivative. Now you could just type that in, but it's a lot easier to go up and copy it, which I can do with F1. Copy. And then I can switch back to Y equals, and I can paste it in. At least if it's blank, you can paste it in. And so that's my derivative. It's the derivative that we want to set equal to 0. So that's why I went back to home.
Just listen, add this in after it's paste. No, it's after the
I'm also recording
forward one,
this.
it's like that, and then it's enter, and then it's 0.
And I hit the algebra button.
Oh, never mind.
And I say, where does the derivative equal 0? And that's how I see that. And it's got 4/3 and 4. I don't know which one is right. One's right, one's wrong. I can find that if I use those numbers in the very first equation, which is Y1. If I put in Y1 of 4, it tells you the answer is 0, meaning it's a minimum. If I put in Y1 of 4/3, it gives me a value that seems to be the answer. I'd like to confirm that. That's why I went back to the graph, made a graph of it, use the trace.
So after you paste it into Y equals, then you go home and you do Y2.
Yeah. That's where you solve that, because you're trying to solve the derivative.
And then after you get that, then you type in Y1.
And when I've got finished with that, I've got